What's up, Hair Business Blueprint? I'm here at Private Label Atlanta. I got some loud guy over there messing up my video, but we're gonna work through it. Let's go inside. We got some new products. We got the amazing team here. We got Mr. John Raymond, Kiki, amazing, beautiful. Look how beautiful the showroom is. Now, I know the purpose of the video is not about Private Label in Atlanta. It's something I wanted to show you guys because it's something I almost updated on the website, but I feel like I need to teach you real quick. So as you can see, we got some brand new products. Those are blonde tape-ins and blonde body wave tape-ins made with our beautiful raw hair. These guys over here, sorry about that, guys. We want to make sure that once you add a product to your Shopify store, by the way, make sure, shout out to Private Label, make sure you stop by. When you add these products to your store, you got to rearrange the categories. So this might be something you don't think about, even notice after you launch. So let me show you how to update that right now. As you can see here, Tiara launched a new product on Private Label, the new raw tape-in. So that shows the raw body wave and the raw straight, just like I showed you in the Private Label showroom. Now, these items are now available online at privatelabelextensions.com. Now, here's the problem. When she added the tape-ins, they added them at the back because these are not the most popular yet because they're brand new. Now, it doesn't really make sense to have these here while this Pro Tape-In applicator is here. So we need to rearrange these products. The Pro Tape-In applicator actually should be in its own section, not necessarily in with the tape-in products. We're not going to add that in there until we have released the replacement tapes, the tape remover solution, the tape shampoo. We have all these other products about to launch. Once we launch those, we can put it in its own section. We just don't want the single product in its own section right now. So what you want to do is go here, and it says sort manually. What we'd want to do is to rearrange these so it makes a lot more sense as far as the order goes. Now, this is something really simple, but it's easily missed. When I rearrange this, you know, if people are coming here to look for tape-in extensions, they might not really be looking for this tape-in applicator. It's an amazing product, but they might not be looking for it. As a matter of fact, just realized I have one right here. So what you want to do is be able to arrange those how you'd like. Now, you can have options here, as you can see. You know, you can do it manually, oldest, newest, lowest price, highest price. So there's different ways that you can arrange these. By the way, quick plug for the tape-in applicator. This thing's pretty awesome, like super high quality. It's got a nice grip. It comes in a nice private label case here. Pretty sick product that we have. So anyway, enough about that. It's really about making sure that you have your most popular products front and center within your product category. So I'm looking at this obviously on a desktop, but if we looked at this at mobile, these are going to be the first 3 products that you're going to see when you scroll. So you want to have the most popular products first at all times. Now, I don't always like to set this to best selling, and the reason being is if you add a newest or highest price, so best selling, if you add new products, it might arrange it not necessarily how I'd like it in here. So I kind of do it manually. That's just my thing. If I had 1 million products on this site, I maybe would just keep it set at best selling. But for most scenarios, this way works. So if you have any questions about product categories in Shopify, or really anything in general about your hair business and Shopify, I'm Mikey at the Hair Business Blueprint. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment below because I'm making videos based on what you need to know. All free information here on YouTube on my channel. Love giving back to the hair community, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video.